guys, what's up? Today I'm going to do a quick tutorial and to show you how I've installed my DJI RC on my motorbike using Quadlock mount. It's very simple, very fast, and you should be able to do it in a few minutes. So let's check it out.
Okay, I'm at the Quadlock page and I'm going to show you what kind of parts do you need to install DJI RC controller on your bike and what kind of parts do I have on my bike. First of all, I would like to say that I'm not sponsored by Quadlock. They didn't pay me anything. I've been using their products for a long time and I've bought everything with my own money. But if you need any kind of licensed music, any kind of stock video, any kind of templates for your YouTube channel, for your professional work, check down the links below. You will get 2 months extra free. Let's continue to the parts. First of all, you will need universal adapter. The one here on the left, this is the old version. The one here on the right is newer version with MagSafe. You don't need that one. This adapter is going to be a little bit too big to fit onto the back of the RC controller, so you will have to modify it a little bit. Basically, what I did is just cut this top part and I've cut this bottom part of the adapter. It's going to be fine. It's going to have plenty of space to stick it or glue it to the RC controller. Just cut it over here and over here. Next, you'll need handlebar mount for motorcycle and also 2 knuckle adapters. I've chosen these knuckle adapters rather than 2 extension arms because it will give you more flexibility and you will have more options to adjust the angle of the phone or DJI RC controller. And that's it. One more time, 2 knuckle adapters, handlebar mount for motorcycle and universal mount sticker. When you have all the parts, it's really easy to install the Quadlock on your handlebars. You can install it in the middle, you can install it on the side. It really depends where you have space. One thing to bear in mind is to look out for the clearance from the handlebars to your DJI RC controller. I have Yamaha XSR 700. As you can see, Yamaha has a speedo in the center of the handlebars and you can't install the Quadlock system in the middle if you don't have risers. When you have risers, you will have this plastic right over here. The plastic will lift up the speedo so you have enough space to mount the base of handlebar mount. So 2 knuckle adapters stacked up, you can adjust angle, you can tilt it a little bit. It's very useful and very easy to do. And the last thing you will need to do is to use your modified universal adapter and glue it to the back of the DJI RC controller. I've used few drops of super glue just to be perfectly sure. Keep in mind that DJI RC controller is much more heavier than your regular phone, so few drops of super glue are going to do just fine. And also keep in mind that I've positioned the adapter here in the middle to have more clearance and I left some opening for the airflow. I also use vibration dampener, but its main purpose is to save your camera phone. Basically, if you have any kind of good mobile phone with image stabilization, vibrations from the motorcycle and from handlebars can destroy your camera. So this will save it, trust me. As you can see, it's very easy to put your RC controller on your bike and you can easily take it off if you want to use phone or anything else.
And that's it. Very simple, very easy, nothing hard to do. Please be careful and don't look at the screen all the time. You have to look at the road and stay focused on the road. So basically it's only for the tracking, only to keep that little few seconds on the drone to see where it is. To stop if you need to stop. Use it on open spaces where there is no traffic, no people, when you have plenty of room to fly a drone and to maneuver. So that's it. Please guys, hit like, hit the subscribe, help me to grow this channel. See you in the next one. Peace.